Hello, my lovely student. How are you today? You fine? I'm fine. Today you will meet with Teacher Prayer, and the topic that I will teach you is about adverb of frequency. First of all, who know about the meaning of adverb? Not worry. I will you to take to watch the video and you give me after that about the meaning of adverb, okay? Let's start.
Adverbs tell you how or when, where or why something is done. Adverbs tell you how or when, where or why something is done. Adverbs can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Adverbs can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Bobby shouts noisily at the mash. Jenny waits excitedly to make the cash. Billy laughs loudly at his pets. Jenny flies quickly in her jet. Adverbs tell you how or when, where or why something is done. Adverbs tell you how or when, where or why something is done.
Okay, everyone can tell me about the meaning of adverbs. Very good. Adverb can do many things. They can describe verb, adjective, other adverbs, and the last is anti-sentences. Very good. If you know about the meaning of adverb, next I will teach you about adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? They tell us how often an action takes place, which the meaning is to match them with percentages. I will highlight percentages. Okay, how often and percentages. They show about how often do you do something. How often do you do something? So the verb of adverb of frequency have 9 words. But in Pathong 5 we will learn only 5 words. There are always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. Again, always, yeah, usually, yeah, often, okay, sometimes, and never. Very good. The words always mean 100% of 5 days. If you do something 5 days, you do that all the time. The next is usually. Usually means 80%. Or you do something 4 days. 4 days. Next is often. Often means 60%. Or you do something 3 days. 3 days. Next is sometimes. Sometimes mean 40%. Or you do something 1 to 2 days. 1 to 2 days. The last is never. Never means 0% or 0 day. You ever do it. Okay? The next I will you to practice about the words always, usually, often, sometimes, and never to match with percentages. Let's start. Okay, fill the missing adverb or percentages correctly. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, the time is up. It's finished 5 minutes. Next, we will answer together. What is percentages of always? Yeah, they have 100% of 5 days. The next is usually. What is percentages of usually? That's great. Usually have 80% of 4 days. The next, what is the word of adverb of 60% or 3 days? That's great. It's often. The next, sometimes. What is percentages of sometimes? Wow, very good. Sometimes means 40% or 1 to 2 days. And the last, what is the word of adverb have 0% or 0 days? Excellent! The word is never. Very good. Okay, next I will teach you about sentence patterns of adverb of frequency. First, you open the activity book, page 78. Page 78. The sentence pattern have two types. One type is if the subject is he, she, it, or singular subject. Teacher, what is singular subject? Singular subject is one subject, like one person or one animal, like John or cat, dog. There is one subject, okay? Plus adverb, plus verb, add s and es, and plus noun. For how to add s and es, I taught you in the last class. Do you remember? Okay, everyone can remember. For example, the subject is she. She is one person, right? Subject is she. Followed by never. Never is adverb of frequency. And next is drinks. Drinks at s. Drink is verb. And the last is noun. Milk. Sentence is she never drinks milk. She never drinks milk. Next type of sentence pattern is if the subject is I, you, we, they, or plural subject. Teacher, what is plural subject? Plural subject is 2, 3, or 4 subject, like 2 person or 3 person or 4 person, or 2 animals, 3 animal or 4 animal, like that. Okay. Plus adverb, plus verb, not add es and s, okay, student. And plus noun. For example, they. They is the subject. Next is always. Always is adverb. Next is play, not s and es because the subject is plural, okay? And the last noun is badminton. So we can arrange they always play badminton. Next, I will give you to do some exercise. They have 4 questions. We'll give example for you. The exercise is look the picture and unscramble the words to make a sentence. First, look the picture. Next is unscramble the words to make a sentence. For example, rice, he, a car, and always. Begin the sentence is subject, so the subject is he. Followed by adverb. Adverb is always. And next is verb. Verb is rice. And the last is noun. Noun is a car. So we have he always drive a car. Like that. Now you try. There are 4 questions. It's easy, not hard, okay? First, you look the picture and unscramble. Okay. The first question is he bicycle drives A and usually. How to arrange? X is always read books and you. How to arrange? The third, Sam, Jan, employ. Song, sometimes, and sing. How to arrange the sentence? And the last question is vegetable. Never, Leo, and it. How to arrange it? So I will give you to do this activity 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's start. Okay, student, the time is up. So we will to answer the question. Can tell me what is the answer of question 1? How to arrange the sentence question 1? That's great. The question 1 answer is he usually rides a bicycle. He usually rides a bicycle. And the question 2. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is you always read books. Again, you always read books. Very good. And the next question. The answer is Sam, Jan, employ, sometimes sing songs. Sam, Jan, employ, sometimes sing songs. Very good. And the last question. Who can answer? Wow. Okay, the last question, the answer is Leo never eats vegetables. Leo never eats vegetable. Okay, that's great. If you understand about the sentence pattern and the word adverb of frequency, so I will give homework for you. Not hard, easy. The first, you open the activity book page 89. And you will see the G, letter G, and look at the table and write the sentences using always, usually, sometime, and never. 5 words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. Like, you look Anna first and look play the piano. So Anna play the piano. They have 4 days. 4 days mean usually, right? Or 80%. Then you make the sentence. Anna usually plays the piano. Okay, like example. And next you look Eddie. Eddie play piano. He played 2 days. So 2 days mean sometimes or 40%. So you can write the sentence is Eddie sometimes plays the piano. Like that. If you have question, you can call me or send the message in Line or my personal Line or Line group. Okay? Take care yourself for many dangerous intervals. Okay? For today, bye bye.